how to connect the external microphone to the Sony ZV-E10 or E10 II. So in order for you to connect the microphone, what you can do is go to the side here. Now you can see in the side here, you might attempt to use this small 3.5mm headphone jack. This is not the port you need to use. You need to go to the top here and open at the top right here. This is a small cover, so you need to open it. And in here, there is a small red 3.5mm jack. So you connect the external headphone to that one right there. So that is the one that you need to connect to, not the one at the bottom here. This is for the audio output only. And then you can, if you have a mount, you can also mount it on top like this. And then we can secure it. Then we can turn on. And when you start to record, it will use the external microphone. Testing with the external microphone. Testing with the external microphone. Testing, testing, testing. Testing with the external microphone. Testing with the external microphone. Testing, testing, testing. And that's it. So that is how you can connect your external microphone to the Sony ZV-E10. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.